It is within the local church that your gifts are discovered and put to use. Nowadays, once a person perceives that there is a call on their life, man of God, the next thing that they want to do is to go and hold a program. Once you have a dream, in that dream you saw yourself preaching in a big hall. The next thing you are online begging for money. Disturbing all of us. Somebody that has no track record of service. You want to gather a crowd and speak because you know how to speak Greek and Hebrew. It is within the local church that you are trained for ministry. I got born again 2014. You can trace everywhere I have served, and there were not too many places up until I started ministry. You can, and you heard Reverend Nelson himself say it. You can trace. Every church I have been a part of, I served there, sir. And I was trained. The pastor knew me. He could call me and send me on errands. I've washed toilets too. I didn't appear from nowhere. But just see somebody just have a dream. In the dream, in the dream, you see that somebody has told me that I had a dream. In the dream, I was walking and two protocol guys that follow me behind. And because of that, you want to go on our program. That's why we need to start asking, who trained him? Let me tell you, see, there are many great programs you should attend, but one of the things you must find out, this program, this man of God that is coming, who is this pastor? Who trained him? Stop exposing yourself to atmospheres without covering. You don't know what it's doing to you in the spirit. You have no idea. Once you just see the flyer, and the theme of the flyer is Eagle's Wings. And then all the guest ministers have apostle in front of their name. Now there God there. Somebody just gets born again and you perceive a call and you want to go on a whole program. And that's what we do today. Once a celebrity gets born again, the next thing is how can they organize program and be on flyer, no discipleship. The people that Jesus wanted to hand over ministry to, he used 3 years to train them. And the Bible says in Matthew 3 what now? Is it 14? That he ordained 12 that they should be with him and that he might send them forth to preach. So preaching was going to be a consequence of being with him. Now we have people speaking for Jesus that don't know Jesus. That's what we have today in Lagos. It is to raise funds, though, but may funds not call you to ministry. I'm speaking from a place of body. I wish I could say more than this. I can't say more than that. I can't say more than that. Stopping everybody.